please stop asking me this question. As this person says, which platform for Forex and which platform for trading do you suggest for me, please? Now, this is all very confusing if you have any experience, but when you're a beginner and you don't know what you don't know, then this person clearly does not understand that what he's asking makes no sense. How do you have a platform for Forex and a platform for trading? What I'm assuming he means is, hey, what platform would you recommend for trading Forex? Which is a really, really bad question. However, I will give some credit where credit's due. At least this person specified what they want to be trading in Forex. The even worse question, and the reason why I say it's a bad question, is it is impossible for the person that you're asking to answer it. What do I mean by that? Well, let's just take what normally people are asking. Hey, Clay, what's the best platform and broker? Okay, well, now could I answer that? I could. I could tell them something, but I'm making a bunch of assumptions that could very realistically lead them down bad pathways. And that's why it's a bad question on your part and why I don't want to hear it, because there's nothing I can do. There's no way that I can answer it because, well, think about it. What would I need to start to assume? Well, I would assume that, oh, they must be talking about Forex, or maybe they're talking about crypto, or maybe they're talking about micro futures, or maybe they're talking about stocks, or maybe they're talking about options, right? And based on that premise, I could then start to recommend things, but I'd also have to make another assumption. That assumption would be, and I think they mean trading, or I think they mean investing. But let's look at that even further. Even if I assume that you mean trading options, well, then I have to say, okay, well, now I have to make another assumption. Well, they must mean day trading options, or I'd have to assume they mean swing trading options. Do you see all these layers that actually go into what would be the best platform, what would be the best broker? There's a lot of stuff that's going to determine that for you. And for you is going to be different because I don't know what you should be trading. Maybe you're trading stocks, but you should actually be trading Forex, for example, because maybe Forex would actually fit better into your time schedule. I don't know if that's the case clearly. I'm just making that up for example's sake. But my point here is hopefully you see there are a lot of assumptions that you're leaving for the other person to make when you just ask, hey, what's the best platform and broker? But to bring it back to this person did clarify Forex trading, but again, not specific enough. Well, trading as in like swing trading, day trading, what kind of day trading? Are you looking to scalp? Are you looking to kind of do a longer term type day trade? There are a lot of details that go into it. Now, of course, I don't expect this person or you as a beginner to realize all these things, but that's the point of this video is it's a very bad question, and it's one that why I don't want to be asked because I cannot give you a genuine answer because as I've already laid out, in order for me to do so, I got to make a bunch of assumptions, and I don't know if those assumptions are true. And if they're not true, well, then I could just be leading you into a buzzsaw, and I don't prefer to do that. So yeah, this question here, the age-old Clay or anybody, what's the best platform? What's the best broker? Not good. Don't ask it to me because I literally cannot give you an answer. And you probably, as a beginner, don't even know what question you should be asking because you don't know what you should be trading, whether that's stock, options, forex, futures, crypto, any of those. And you also don't know how you should be trading it because, well, you're new and that's okay. So as backwards as it is, one of the last things you should be focused on is a platform and broker because you got to figure out those things first. You got to figure out what you should be trading. You got to figure out how you should be trading it. And then when you get those things established, it's going to make it much more clear in terms of what would be the best platform broker for your situation. So I hope this helps. I don't want to be mean, but yeah, don't ask me that question because I don't have an answer for you unless I start making a bunch of faulty assumptions. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.